Juice in it. Thanks.
We're back in Puerto Rico. We're gonna leave Aguadilla, the Coast Guard base, and we're going to our next spot near Utuado in the mountains of Puerto Rico.
Yawn a little real because it's pretty narrow. I like the narrow parking spots.
No guide today, so go down, look at the museum, walk the park. Don't eat or drink while you're in the
Alright, don't
area.
touch the stones.
Don't touch the stone.
Well, that's a monkey, Hannah. That's what it
Yeah, it looks like a peacock or some type of bird.
Feel the rain? Yeah. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Let me show you. Take a photo. Now look at the water.
It might be live. I think they have a problem. I think that needs to be unplugged. This? Would you? Unplug it.
Okay.
Yeah. Electronical. Okay, there you go. Now? You shot yourself. Okay, it's okay now.
Cannon, make good choices.
This is awesome. We got a great view. Downstairs is awesome. We got a ping pong table, basketball hoop. Got our own kitchen with our own fridge, own bathroom. The house is nice. It's gonna be fun. And downstairs are bunk beds and yeah, bunk beds.
Yeah, we don't have AC, so we'll see how that.
that's a monkey. Yeah, that's not